this is Miss M, and today's topic, distribution and foil. Distribution. Distribution means to hand something out. A real-world example of distribution is when your teacher distributes papers. She hands one to everyone, so that we distribute or we hand one out to every term. An example, 2x plus 17. The parentheses mean that we're going to multiply 2 times each of the terms, or distribute. So 2 times x and 2 times 17. Well, 2 times x gives me 2x, and 2 times 17 gives me 34. So if there's no symbol in between, it means to multiply. Here's the second example of distribution. When we distribute, we have 2x plus 5 times 7x minus 10. We're going to distribute both terms in the first parenthesis to each of the terms in the second parenthesis. We're going to start with the 2x. We're going to multiply 2x times 7x and 2x times negative 10. Then we're going to distribute the 5. We're going to multiply the 5 times 7x and multiply the 5 times negative 10. When we multiply 2x and 7x, that gives us 14x squared. When we multiply 2x and negative 10, that's going to give us negative 20x. When we multiply 5 times 7x, that gives us 35x. And when we multiply 5 times negative 10, we get negative 50. Many people call this process FOIL, or double distribution, like we just did. We'll cover FOIL on the next slide. FOIL. FOIL means do the first terms in each parenthesis, then do the outer terms in each parenthesis, then multiply the inner terms, then multiply the outer terms. Here's an example. It's the same example we had in the last slide. We had 2x plus 5 times 7x minus 10. And we're going to multiply the first two terms in each parenthesis. So the first term in the first parenthesis is 2x. The first term in the second parenthesis is 7x. So 2x times 7x gives us 14x squared. If we multiply the outer two terms, in other words, the 2x and the negative 10, we get 2x times negative 10, which gives us a negative 20x. We multiply the inner two terms, which gives us 5 times 7x. Well, 5 times 7x is 35x. And finally, multiplying the last two terms, we have 5 times negative 10. Well, 5 times negative 10 gives us negative 50. The second and the third line give us an x term, so we would combine those to get a 15x for a final answer of 14x squared plus 15 minus 50. Distributing more than two terms. All this means is we're going to distribute the x to each of the terms in the second parenthesis, then we're going to distribute the y to each of the terms in the second parenthesis, then we're going to distribute the negative z to each of the terms in the second parenthesis. So x times x, x times y, and x times negative z. Then we distribute the y times x, y times y, and y times negative z. Then we distribute the negative z. So negative z times x, negative z times y, and negative z times negative z. When we combine like terms, our answer is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy minus 2xz minus 2yz. If you need help combining terms, check out the Combining Like Terms video. Comment below if you have any other questions on this topic, or if you have a suggestion for a future video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out the channel for other math videos. Bye!